Hiya, it's me Gloriya and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a really special video. You guys already know by the thumbnail and title that I'm gonna show you guys my room and give you a roof tour, and this video is specifically about my room, not the whole house. So yeah, and before I show you my room, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me and inspire me to create more content. So yeah, let's start with the room tour. Right after entering my room, this is what my room looks like in day, and I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like in night. So we're gonna start from here. So just right after the door, we have this white wall and a painting of mine hanging on it, and যেটাতে লেখা আছে vibes and a sunflower. এবং এই পেইন্টিংটা নিচে রয়েছে this clothing rack or alna, whatever you wanna call it. This alna is 30 years old and my parents were about to throw it away, but I kept it and painted it in white color and it looks so pretty now. And I have some of my graphic tees hanging on it. I really love graphic tees যেগুলোতে aesthetic picture দেওয়া থাকে or quotes লেখা থাকে, like this one. It's written blocked, and there is this neon green one যেটাতে লেখা bad decision and me, and the red one যেটা লেখা how do I block you in real life. And just after the tees, I have this two pretty shoe holder which I got from Momoso, and you can hang 2 pairs of shoes in a one hanger. And then there is this artificial leaves which I got from Shein, which does not exist in India now. Just after this clothing rack, we have this big round mirror which I really like, and this is a gift. And beside the mirror we have this pearl necklace, and then a mirror ta niche royeche this movable U-shaped table. So let me show you what I have on the table. We have this money plant. I really like money plants. Then there is another dirty mirror and my necklace hanging on it. Then there is some wet tissue, comb, clutchers, some skincare of my sister, and these 3 are mine. And there is this toy of Dodo which I kept. And in the bottom section of the table I have my sneakers. One is really dirty and another one is brand new. And this is a drawer where I have nothing, just a LED light which does not work. Right after this area, I have this big giant mirror in this corner, and let me just switch on the light. So there is this big mirror which I don't really like. I will tell you why. I asked my papa to got me a mirror jeta amar height er hobe and ekটু slim hobe, যাতে আমি mirror pictures and outfit pictures click করতে পারি. And look what he got me. This is so big, like literally double of my height, double of my size, and it kept half of the space. So I don't really like it. And another reason is it has some stains on it যেটা নিয়ে আসার সময় পড়েছিল, যেগুলো আর ওঠানো যাচ্ছে না. So yeah, mirror-টার ঠিক উপরে সিলিংয়ে I kept some fake plants like artificial leaves to make it look pretty. And then there is this big window যেটা দিয়ে প্রচুর sunlight আসে. I'm not gonna open it, but you can see like there are some real plants. And শুধু এই উইন্ডোটা দিয়ে সূর্যের আলো না, প্রচুর পাখিও আসেন. পাখিরা এসে আমার রুমে হ্যাং আউট করে, এই ফেক লিভস গুলোতে বসে থাকে. I will insert a clip of birds hanging around in my room. And there is this curtains all in beige and yellow color. Let me tell you, my room has a theme, that is yellow theme. I started liking yellow color and it gives really happy vibes. So that's that. And then in this corner I have this tripod which I don't really use. And then there is this circle, half circle thing which I was doing few months ago and I left it in a halfway. and a circle upor royeche again some artificial leaves and a orange moon. And then comes my favorite corner, this wall collage thing which I did with some of my paintings and some of the printed photos. Like these are my painting, this, and there is Dua Lipa. I printed this photo, and there is me again, me, and no, that is not me. Okay, this and this is me, and again a small mirror. So this corner is my favorite. And just after this corner we have another big window and the same curtains on it, and I don't really open this window. And then comes the best part, my bed, which is all yellow. The pillow is yellow, the bed sheet is yellow, we have this yellow emoji, and there is this blanket which abhi kuch kaam ka nahi hai. Then right after the bed comes this switchboard, and there is this sunglass corner which I did with this hooks which I got from Park Street for 30 or 40 rupees. Then there's a birthday gift of mine. If you scan this, it will open a levitating song in Spotify. And eta niche royeche this side table and another switchboard. I consider myself really lucky because I have a switchboard charger point just beside my bed, so I'm really happy with it. And on the side table I have this like changeable remote thing which changes color of the light behind the bed. And there is this planner, water bottle, and some drawers where I have some of my stationery things like photos, hot glues, tapes, lights. That's it. And this is what my room looks in day. Let me put it in 0.5. So this is what my room looks in day, and I will show you how my room looks after the sun goes down. Starting with the ceiling, so this is how my room looks at night after I switch on all the LED strip lights. I really like the light behind my bed. It is changeable. I can change the colors according to my mood. And there is also a blue one. This light is non-changeable, like it's only in blue color. And also there is this warm strip light that is around my mirror. Let me put my camera in 0.5 so that you can see the whole room. So this is how my room looks. So pretty, right? Now I'm gonna give you guys our roof tour. So this is what our roof looks like. এখানে কত আম সত্য শুকাচ্ছে। Anyway, চুরি করতে হবে। So this is what our roof looks like.
Everything you see here are planted by my mamoni and baba, and I don't have any credits, and this is not even close to what our roof looks like in winter.
And there is another small roof. There's more flowers, more plants. This is a new, and this is the old one. And we have another small room. This is the other small roof. There is also some flowers, and this is the view from our roof. That is NH2. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you really liked it and found it helpful. If do, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with others. That would help me to reach more people. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.